Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the transparent sticker mockup in Pixlr. So first go to pixlr.com in any web browser, and we're going to click the Pixlr X Start Design Project button, and then just press Escape to get rid of that pop-up. Then we'll click the Open Image button to open the JPG version of the mockup off the computer. So then just open one of the JPG files off of the computer. Depending on which mockup you purchased, you might have, JPG files with different backgrounds. And it's going to ask us if we want to resize the image to make it smaller. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply to open the original size image. And then to add your design, it's as easy as clicking on this little icon with the square and the lines that says Add Element Image when we hover over it, and then clicking Add Media, browse your own files. And you just want to find your design on the computer. And then if you want to resize it, you can just click and drag one of the corners. And when you see the 4-arrow move tool, you can click and drag to kind of move the design into place. And that's all there is to adding your design to the transparent sticker mockup in Pixlr. If you want to, you could change the layer blend mode. This 3-dot icon in the upper right hand corner of the layer with the design, you can click on that and then click on None underneath blend mode to change the drop down menu to multiply. Depending on your design, that can make it look a little more natural by allowing some of the background color to show through. This is all black, so it looks pretty natural as is. And then to save this, you just want to click the Save button at the bottom. If you're going to be using this online on a website like Etsy, you'll probably want to save a version as a JPG. I'd change the quality to 100 and leave it on high, and then just click Save As, and save it wherever you want to on your computer. You can change the name here next to File Name. I'll add Design 1, and then just click Save. We're gonna click the little X to close the pop-up menu. If you wanted to save a layered Pixlr document, you could come back here and click Save again. And this time you would just click PXC. I'd probably change it, click this to toggle non-destructive on, and then click Save As, and you could save it again. And that's all there is to adding your design to the JPG version of the transparent sticker mockup in Pixlr. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you and have a great night.